how do you determine when to shift budget from automatic to manual campaign? This is a good question. And my answer to that is I'm going to answer with the question, do you need to shift budget from automatic to manual campaigns? Why would you do that? The reason why I'm asking you this, and as crazy as it sounds, 5 years ago when I started ads, I never ran auto campaigns for the first 2 years of starting advertising on Amazon. And I did not run any auto campaigns. Now in 2025, when we're creating ads for brands, auto campaigns is within the first type of campaigns that we will be creating for them, because auto campaigns right now started to outperform manual campaigns. So then I would ask you, do you need to make this shift? Is that because right now automatic campaigns are not that effective for you? I'm not saying not to do it. I'm just asking, why do we need to shift budget from automatic to manual campaign? And if we know why, then I can go into more detail and answer the question. Is it going to be more profitable for us? Or is it a scaling strategy you really want to gain more market share? Because then it's going to make sense for you to do that.